Hey everybody, I hope you guys like yesterday's workout, getting to pick your own difficulty. Today is going to be some yoga, so buckle up. All right, here we go. I'm going to go through it on the page for you guys quickly. So watching my video for task 1, nailed it. Task 2 right here, all you have to do is click on this video and it should take you to Adrienne's yoga videos, okay? So she has a ton of yoga videos, so really try to take the time to actually do this 30-minute workout. Okay, it's going to help you with your breathing. It'll help you de-stress. Should help you with the core and the glutes today. If you click on this and it doesn't work, here's the link down below. Okay, so copy and paste that. It should work. Or you can type in the title here on YouTube if you need help finding it as well. So after you've done her workout and taken some time to relax and get off the couch today, task 3 is going to be uploading a video reflection below. So your reflection must include 4 parts. So each part is 15 seconds long. Okay, the first one's going to explain how you feel about doing yoga videos. So yoga might be your thing. Yoga might not be your thing. This is the time where you're going to talk about it. Okay, for whatever reason, however you feel about it, just go ahead, talk there for 15 seconds. And then part 2, you're going to go into 15 seconds of explaining or showing you doing one exercise from today's video. Okay, so if down dog is one that you do and that's something you liked, go ahead, 15 seconds of you doing down dog. After 15 seconds, you're going to go into a second exercise that was from today's video. And then part 4 is going to be a third exercise from today's video. Okay, so as you're going through the video, maybe think about which ones you want to do. Remember what time they're at so that you can watch them and then record your video at the end. Okay, so in total, your video is going to be about 1 minute, maybe a little bit longer with some transitions. But 4 parts, each 15 seconds. How do you feel about yoga? And then 3 exercises from today's video. After you have that video, you're going to upload it here. If you have any issues with that, please reach out. Let me know. Have some fun.